Hi everyone, welcome to my class. My subject is Internet Technology, paper code IT 702. Myself, Mizan Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology. Previous day we already told about the basic of routing. So today we'll start interior routing protocols. There are two types of interior routing protocols. They are RIP and OSPF. So RIP is basically used for distributed Bellman-Ford algorithm, updated send every 30 seconds. It will update. No authentication is required. Originally in PSD Unix. OSPF is link state routing protocol as and when it's required, every router runs distrust authentication updated. Autonomous system may be partitioned into areas. So basically what is RIP routing protocol? The RIP routing information protocol is one of the oldest distance vector routing protocol which employs the hop count as a routing matrix. RIP prevents routing loops by implementing a limit on the number of hops allowed in a path from the source to destination. Next one is OSPF routing protocol. So OSPF full form of the OSPF routing protocol is Open Shortest Path First, is a routing protocol for internet protocol network. It is used to link state routing algorithm and falls into the group of interior gateway protocols operating system with a single autonomous system. It is defined as an OSPF. So open shortest path first is a routing protocol for internet protocol network. It is used to link state routing algorithm and falls into a group of interior routing protocols operating within a single autonomous single. Autonomous means that is independent uh, network. It is defined OSPF version 2. The updated for IPv6 are specified as OSPF version 3 in RFC 5340. OSPF supports the classless inter-domain routing CIDR addressing model. OSPF is a widely used IGP in large enterprise network. ISIS. Another LSR based protocol is more common in large service provider network. So basically what are the OSPF areas? An OSPF network can be divided into areas that are logical groupings of host and networks. An area includes its connecting router having the interfaces connected to the network. Each R maintains a separate link state database whose information may be summarized towards the rest of the network by connecting the router. Thus, the topology of an area is unknown outside the area. This reduces the routing traffic between parts of an autonomous system. Areas are unique identified within the 32-bit numbers. The area identified are commonly written in the dot decimal notation, familiar from the IPv4 addressing. However, they are not IP address and may duplicate without conflict. Any IPv4 address, the OSPF identifier for the IPv6 implementation OSPF v3 are also use 32-bit identifiers written in the same notation. When dotted forming it's omitted. Most implementation expand area 1 to the area identifier. So these are the Exterior routing protocols. So what are exterior routing protocols? Interior and exterior. Exterior gateway routing protocols. Basically, exterior gateway protocol is a routing protocol for the internet originally defined in 1982. Okay, so Rosen of Bolt, Baraknin and Newman formally specified in 1984 by David L. Mallis. So exterior gateway protocol is a protocol that for exchanging routing information between two neighbors gateway host, each with its own router in a network autonomous system. EGP is commonly used between the host on the interior to exchange the routing table information. The routing table contains a list of known routers, the address they can reach, and a cost metric associated with the path to the each router so that the best available route is chosen. Each router polls its neighbors as intervals between 120 and 480 seconds, and the neighbor responds by the sending its complete routing table. EGP2 is the latest version of EGP. And next is border gateway protocol. BGP protocol. What is BGP protocol? Border gateway protocol is a standardized exterior gateway protocol designed to exchange routing and the reachability information among autonomous systems on the internet. BGP is classified as a path vector routing protocol, and it makes routing decisions based on path network policies or rule sets configured by a network administrator. BGP may be used for routing within an autonomous system. In this application, it is referred to as interior border gateway protocol, internal BGP, or IBGP. In contrast, the internet application of the protocol may be referred to as a exterior gateway protocol, external BGP, or eBGP. So BGP is not a link state or distance vector routing protocol. BGP advise complete paths. Example of path advertisement. Path loops are detected locally and ignored. Local policies pick the preferred path among the options when the link router. So some more about BGP operations on BGP. Ideally, even if impractical, all possible links would be connected to one to another like spokes in a bicycle wheel. BGP, most scalable of all routing protocols, provides a workaround and ways to measure how effectively it is configured. BGP neighbors called peers are established by manual configuration among the routers through the created TCP session on port 179. A BGP speaker sends 19 byte keep alive message every 60 seconds to maintain the connection. Among the routing protocol, BGP is unique in using TCP as its transport protocol. When BGP runs between two pairs in the same autonomous system, as it referred to internal BGP, IBGP, or interior border gateway protocol, when it runs between different autonomous systems, it is called BGP. Routers on the boundary of the AS exchange the information with another AS as called the border or edge router or simply EBGP peers and are typically connected directly, while IBGP peers can be interconnected through the intermediate routers. Other deployment technologies are also possible, such as running EBGP peering inside a VPN tunnel, allowing two remote sites to exchange routing information in a secure and isolated manner.